Hello guys, it is me. Today we are going to talk about the anatomy of heart. So let us begin. So guys, what is heart? Heart is an organ which is located in the anterior mediastinum and it serves to give the blood to all organs of our body and remove waste product from our body. Okay. So it is a four-chambered organ located in the chest cavity between the lungs. Now coming to the pericardium. Now, pericardium is a protective sac of the heart, which uh, which which protects the heart from external injuries. So, this pericardium is again divided into two parts: fibrous and serous pericardium. Now, this serous pericardium is again divided into two parts: parietal pericardium and the visceral pericardium. Okay. Out of this, the this visceral pericardium is also called the epicardium. Okay, and there is a space between these two layers, parietal pericardium and the visceral pericardium, which we call as a which we call as a pericardial space, and and there is a fluid present in between these layers, which we call as the pericardial fluid. Okay, and this acts as a uh, this, this reduces friction as the heart beats. Okay, guys. Now, heart wall. So, heart wall, we have three heart walls in the heart. First is the epicardium, second is the myocardium, and third is the endocardium. Okay. So, now coming to the epicardium. So, epicardium is the outermost layer, which is a protective layer made of a connective tissue and fat. Okay. Myocardium. Its name tells us that it is made of a muscle. Which muscle? Smooth muscle. Okay. So myocardium, the middle and thickened and the thickest layer, consisting of cardiac cells, so muscle tissue, uh, resp- uh, responsible for pumping blood. Okay. The myocardium contracts rhythmically to generate the force which is required for to circulate blood. Okay. Now endocardium. So endocardium is the innermost layer, a smooth and thin lining that covers the chambers of heart and provides a smooth surface for blood flow. Okay. Now, how many chambers are there in the heart? So we have got four chambers in the heart. First is the atrium and second is the ventricle. Okay. Two two upper right and left atria and two lower left right and left ventricles. Okay. Now there are two atria, the right and the left atrium. They receive blood returning from the blood from the body and lungs and then pump into into the ventricles. Okay. Ventricles. Ventricles, lower chambers. There are two ventricles, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. They receive blood from the atria and pump it to the lungs, right ventricle uh, and and uh, and the rest of the body left ventricle. Okay, so right ventricle, it pumps blood to the pulmonary artery. Okay, and the left ventricle, it pumps blood to the aorta. Okay, now valves. So what are valves? Valves are basically the mechanical structure uh, which are required to to stop the flow outwards, like like whenever a thing goes inwards, it can't come outward. So for that we need a valve. Okay, so like that only we have like 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 that principle we have in heart. Okay, so we have got four valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, bicuspid or mitral valve, and the aortic valve. Okay, so now by tricuspid valve, it is it is present in between the right and right atrium and ventricle. Okay, so this is a tricuspid valve. Okay, and Bicuspid valve is a valve present in between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Okay. Um, this valve is very important, as if there is a dysfunction dysfunction of this valve, it can cause the mitral valve stenosis. Okay. Now, we will discuss this in later chapters of this of my videos. Okay. So, yeah, a pulmonary valve, as the name tells us, it is a valve which is present in between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Okay. And mitral valve, bicuspid valve, is positioned between the left atrium and the left. Yeah, I discussed this. Okay. Aortic valve found between the left ventricle and the and this is the left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle and the aorta directly directly oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Okay. Now, blood vessels. So we have in total four blood vessels, four main type of blood vessels in the heart. So first is the aorta. This is the aorta. Okay. This is the this is the pulmonary artery. Okay. This these all are the pulmonary veins. Okay. These these this pair of yeah, you can see, right. So these are the pulmonary veins, and last one is the inferior and superior vena, inferior and superior vena cava. Okay. Okay. So now I'll tell you the function of this blood vessels. So aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in the body, oxygenating from the left ventricle and distributing oxygenated blood to the systemic circulation. Pulmonary artery it carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, from the right ventricle to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay, pulmonary veins. So transport oxygenated blood from the lung to the left atrium. Okay, and vena cava. We have two vena cavas, superior and inferior vena cava. These are large veins that bring oxygenated blood from the body to the right atrium. Okay. Now comes the very important part of this video. So we have got the coronary arteries. So what are coronary arteries? These are the arteries which are a branch of a which are directly a branch of a ascending arch of aorta. Okay, and these arteries supply the heart itself. Okay, so now you think like this. Okay, see, heart is a muscle, right? Heart is a muscle, so so it will also need the energy to survive. Okay, so this coronary arteries, they supply the blood to this to the heart. Okay, now if there is any damage to to these arteries. Okay, then 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 it can cause various complications like myocardial infarction, angina pectoris, right? Heart stroke, and even death. Okay, so these are very important arteries, and you should know all the pathologies regarding the coronary arteries. Coronary arteries. Fuck. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and bye. And in the subsiding videos, I will cover the heart pathology and pharmacology and all those things. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you.